Sir JJ College of Engineering. I am going to explain waterfall model in software engineering. So there are so many models in software engineering. First one is the waterfall model, the second one is the spiral model, third one is the interactive waterfall model, fourth one is the prototyping model, fifth one is the rapid application development model. Here we are going to see about waterfall model. So, what do you mean by waterfall model? Waterfall model is also called a sequential model because it flows like a waterfall. That is it. Sequential means it is like a linear model, and it is a traditional software development methodology that follows a linear structure. It will develop phase by phase approach when each phase must be completed before moving to the next. So there are 5 phases in the waterfall model. First one is the requirement gathering and analysis phase. Second is the design phase. Third is the development phase. Fourth is the testing phase. And fifth one is the deployment or the maintenance phase. In requirements gathering, first we will collect the requirements from the customers. Second, in the design and implementation, we will create a blueprint of the software design what we are going to create. The third one is the coding phase. In the coding phase, the design is converted into a machine readable format. The fourth one is the testing phase. In this, what we are developed is tested by a software testers. This phase is also called as verification phase, and the last phase is the maintenance phase. So first phase here we are going to see. First one is requirements gathering and analysis. All project requirements are collected and analyzed and documented first. The second phase is the system design. In the system design, the project's architecture, data and interface based on the requirement we will put a design that is like the blueprint. The third is the coding phase. In this, developers write the code for the system or the product what we are going to develop. In this phase, it is converted to a machine readable format. And next one is the testing phase. In this, the developed system is tested by a software engineer to find and fix defects and ensures it meets requirement. Here we will test two types of test. One is positive test and a negative test. Positive test we will give the positive input and what the output may be. The negative testing indicates we will give negative inputs and sure that the software tested it's negatively. Last one is the maintenance phase. After testing is done, it will post launch the phase to the involves ongoing support and updates to keep the system functional. The last is the deployment phase. In the deployment phase, we will deliver the product to the customers. That is called as waterfall model. Thank you.